Before starting your spray foam project, here are the top tips for success. Tip 1. Temperature. Ensure the chemical in the tanks is between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. If the product was shipped or stored below 75 degrees Fahrenheit, make sure to allow it time to warm to proper temperature in a 75 to 85 degree Fahrenheit space for 48 hours. Tip 2. Shake the kit. Once your kit is warmed, shake the kit for 1 to 2 minutes to make sure the chemicals mix thoroughly. Tip 3. Open the kit and check hose connections. Make sure both valves on the cylinders are fully open by turning counterclockwise. Tip 4. The nozzle tip features a snap tip design, which starts as a fan spray pattern but when snapped off, easily converts to a cone spray pattern. When you stop spraying for up to 20 seconds, foam will begin to cure in the nozzle, so you must replace the nozzle before starting to spray again. Prepare your project for minimal starts and stops. Tip 5. Ensure the surface to be sprayed is clean, warm, and dry. Closed-cell foam has a higher insulating value but will only expand 2 to 3 times the initial spray. Ensuring the spray passes are consistent and smooth will aid in expansion and maximize yield. Always ensure all instructions are read and proper safety precautions are taken before starting any foam job. For more information, visit www.apoc.com.